Okay, so we spoke about insights. Next, we're going to speak about agent store, right? The tab agent store. So, like you're going to already have some AI agents that are going to be deployed to your operating system, your environment, your private cloud. That they're going to be, I'll say, I'll call them starter agents, right? Agents that essentially were specifically orchestrated and put together to to solve your pain points, right? So your own original goal. Like for this team, the original goal was I just want 25 for this OS and this instance, I just wanted 25 leads. But as I begin to use the platform, I would have a need for more and more agents that can work seamlessly with the same infrastructure, with the same framework, the same named agents, routine and collaboration, like inter agent operability, right? So what we did for that is we have a store, which is, you can think about it like a marketplace, where you can come in and just add AI agents. The really cool thing about this marketplace is if you add a team member that didn't exist in your current team, um, it's basically going to figure out, hey, with the current setup that you have, this new AI agent or this new AI employee you're about to hire, which team does it fall into? Which org does it fall into? So if it finds an existing org in your current structure, it's going to kind of figure out where to place them in that hierarchy. But if it doesn't, then it kind of actually, forms that branch of the tree. Let's say we're having a new marketing team. So now let's get a marketing organization and let's add a marketing team and call this marketing team um, ads, right? The ads team. And under the ads team, we can have like the viral ads finder. So it's going to figure out, do you have the current structure? If not, how do I fit in the new agent or new AI employee into your current company structure? And all that is going to be taken care of. So the OS will take care of that. You would see the new org here if a new org was built. You'd see a new team here if the team name was built. And it works with the rest of the platform very seamlessly, right? Now, if it falls into an existing organization, you'd see it. And all you really need to do is just click add to a team. Just think about it like hiring a new person. And remove, just think about it like firing a new person, right? So that's kind of how it is, right? So you're always going to be seeing new AI agents in your store as you progress, right? So that's about the AI agent store. It's going to fill up really fast because we plan to really build like a lot of agents going forward on it. All right. Thank you. I think that's it for this video. I think next we'll talk a little bit about integration.